Hello guys, welcome to Javed television. Today I have this 60-inch 4K LED TV. The problem is no display but backlight is okay. The model number is LC-60UA440X. So I'm gonna show you how to repair this problem. Backlight is okay but no display. Turn on the TV. Now we check. See, yes, backlight okay but no display. So how to repair this problem? This is power board, Tican board, main board, FFC cable left and right. So first of all I remove left side FFC cable. After I check half screen.
So this
Yes.
is problem.
Half screen is okay but left side problem.
So off.
So I block some pins from the right side, and after we check got display or no. Yes, now got display but this is blink problem. Yes, this is blink problem. So this side got gate ribbons. I remove gate ribbons and after I check my TV is okay or still the same problem. So let's do it now.
So already open the on screw.
Remove cover. So I already opened the top cover. Now I remove the gate cable from this side. Okay. So I remove gate ribbons from this side one by one. Okay.
See.
So you done. Okay. To remove all.
Last one.
Okay, done. Now my TV is okay. Got display left and right side. It's okay. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Like and share. Subscribe my YouTube channel. For any information kindly contact me.